Hey guys, my name is Darkwater Killer. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm just doing a quick tutorial on making zombie pigmen drop nether quartz on top of keeping their default loot table. This is just a quick video to help someone out that asked a question. And so I hope this is helpful. I don't have a script, I'm just doing this as I go. So let's see. To start off with, I have a world that's got a data pack already loaded in, and so this is that data pack world, or this is the world that's open right now, and I'm currently looking at its data pack. And so the file is going to be under inside the data pack data Minecraft loot tables entities, and this is my data pack testing world before I actually create videos and stuff like that. So I actually already have a zombie pigman JSON file with a loot table in it already, but I have cleared that and it is blank right now. But so starting off with the loot table, you're going to want to do inside curly brackets just the tag pools, and that is a list tag. Inside here we go and say let's see, it would be, use this wither skeleton one as a reference. Oh, okay. So you want to do a compound tag, which is just curly brackets without any tag in front of it, and it goes rolls. We're just going to give this one roll. There's going to be one pool for each of the default drops, so going to go rolls entries, and entries is a list tag, and inside that goes more compound tags. So our first pool entry, it's going to be item, or no, it's not item. It would be type, let's see, type, item. I'm just going to copy this right here, actually. Control C. And paste. And I'm going to change this from bone to, I believe it's just rotten flesh. Yeah, rotten flesh. Okay. The weight is 1. We're going to need functions to set the count. We're going to need functions to set the count. I actually have that right here now, don't I actually? So inside functions, which is a list, it's more compound tags. So function set count. Yeah, it's this right here, basically function set count. So let's see. Yep. Function sets. Does that got an underscore in it? It does. Count. Gonna put a comma. Let's see. And count, you can either do count and put a number here, or you can say count, turn it into a compound tag and say min. And I have the wiki page for zombie pigmen pulled up, and it says it drops 0 to 1 rotten flesh. So the minimum I'm going to say is 0, and for max I'm going to say 1. On top of the rotten flesh drops are affected by looting. For sake of time, I'm not going to include the function for, actually, you know what, I have it right here. Basically, using the looting function, if you have looting, for each level of looting, what this function is doing is it will, with each level of looting, it's going to add an extra drop to that. So instead of dropping either 0 or 1 rotten flesh, what if you had like looting 1 per se, it would now drop either 1 or 2 rotten flesh. And so that's adding rotten flesh back in. You just would do that for each of these here. So basically what I'm doing right now is recreating the default loot table of a zombie pigman. For something like these rare drops, it would be, gosh, what would I do? You would, let's refer over to what I have for Wither Skeleton. Okay, so for rare drops, you need to use a condition. And the condition I'll be using is it's called random chance with looting, and so it's just a random chance with the looting, like the chance before you the chance without looting, like the base chance, and then the looting multiplier, which for each level of looting it's multiplied by that, and it's in the format of its chance plus looting multiplier times level of looting is your final chance. Instead of Wither Skeleton Skull, I'm gonna make this Minecraft gold ingot item. I'm gonna make the weight 1. I just want it to drop 1, so this should work as is. And then as for adding in stuff that isn't existent within the default loot table, it's just adding another tag. So roles 1 entries, make a list, compound tag, set the type to item, set the name to, and I actually don't know what quartz is called in game, so quartz. Okay, it's just Minecraft quartz. Okay, I didn't know if it was quartz or another quartz. So anyways, Minecraft quartz with a Z, so that's the name, and set the weight to 1. And why the heck not? I'll add a function that gives it a random of dropping, let's say, 1 to 4 quartz per kill of a thing. So it's going to be functions. That's a list. Compound tag. Say function. Set count. Count. And make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, yeah. Set counts. Open one of the 2 curly brackets. Min. I said I was going to make the min 1. Max. I said I was going to make that. Oh, geez. 4. I cannot type. And assuming I did this right. This should work. So this is basically saved in here under Minecraft loot tables entities, in your data pack, data Minecraft loot tables entities. For zombie pigman, it's going to be zombie_pigman.json, a JSON file. So that's what this file is. You just go back in here, and we're going to, I'll just resize this, make it easier to see. You got to reload. So /reload. Wait a second or two. I'm gonna place the zombie pigman, and if I do /kill at E type is equal to not player. This just makes it easier. Killed zombie pigman. And as you can see, the zombie pigman died and it dropped quartz. This works basically for everything. Now, any zombie pigman that dies is going to drop rotten flesh. Rarely it's going to drop golden ingots, and it's always going to drop either like 1 to 4 nether quartz. That's using this. If you need more information on how to work that, or not work that, how to create loot tables with more functions and different conditions, the wiki actually is really helpful. You just go ahead and I think, yeah, you go to the data pack page on the wiki, and you can just look under and find loot tables. And here under loot tables on the wiki, it just shows all the different things for like creating a loot table. Here's the actual like formatting of the JSON file that you would use, with things that say they're optional and not optional. I know this was a little rushed. I just wanted to put out a quick, like almost sort of speed code video for this, because I wanted to get this video out. It's going to be a while before I actually have a proper tutorial video on creating data packs. Not tutorial on creating data packs, tutorial video on creating loot tables and utilizing those in your data packs. But I wanted to get this out there and recorded up so I could help that person out as soon as possible. Hopefully this answered a question of how to create a custom loot table that overwrites that of a mob in Minecraft. And that's all I can think of for right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like or a dislike. It doesn't really matter. I just need to know like how this video, if it helped you or not. If you liked it, that's great. If not, don't think to just leave a dislike. Also, if you didn't like something about it, tell me in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. I can't grow without the help of you guys. And if you want to look into data packs and learn how to create your own and things like that, check out the tutorial series I'm currently creating on this channel. I'll be going through and teaching every single thing that I know and am learning about data packs. Hopefully it's able to help you. If not, anytime you can just PM me here on YouTube, or if need be, I'm on Reddit. It's probably easier to contact me through Reddit. Just message me on that. It's u/darkwaterkiller. And yeah, thanks for watching again. And I hope you guys have a great day.